Hi, and welcome back to the guided crochet meditations. Sorry if it's a bit dark, but as you probably know, I'm in the northern hemisphere, so it gets dark here quite early. And since today I don't feel so good, I think we'll keep this a bit short. I think we are all happy about the results from yesterday, so I decided to change today's theme to that of joy. We can use crochet not only to relieve bad feelings, to make them go away, but we can also use crochet to enjoy things, to somehow sit in the good feelings and just enjoy life. Yeah. So in the last two episodes, we've been discussing reactions to life events, reactions that can be considered in the fight or flight or freeze response, and we will deal with freeze later on. But today I wanted to have a little discussion about enjoying our craft. I know a lot of people use crochet as a means to forget about their days, maybe to isolate themselves, to get to a safe space where they can decompose. I call it decomposing and just feel at home. But many people also use crochet as a joyful exercise, as a community building theme or motive, and I love that. And while I'm not a very big participant in the crochet community, as you probably know, I don't go out of my way to congratulate people on their projects and stuff like that. I enjoy seeing all of your projects, and they bring me joy. Not just my projects, but also your ideas, how you come up with colors. Not just crochet, also picking yarns and finding new and interesting yarns, most of which are not available here, but still it's such a joy to see other people's choices. And I think that's a good theme for today. Let's enjoy each other's company in this beautiful community that we have. And let's use this collective joy that we have from this news to uplift each other. So if you haven't done so by now, please pick up your crochet hook and your project, something that you can work on without thinking very much, without concentrating very much, and let's have some fun together. Yeah. Like we've talked about this in the past few episodes as well, it always helps to have a nice project that you enjoy working on. It's not a big help if you pick a project that doesn't bring you any joy, that has a yarn that you don't like, colors that don't go with your mental image of life. Some people like really bright colors and really how do I say that, mixes of different shades and textures, and some people like minimalism, and I don't know which one you are. I mean, individually I pretty much know because I follow your projects, but the point is to maybe get in touch with your internal, let's say, aesthetic filters, and to choose those projects which appeal to you most from your own filter. So for me, for example, The nicest projects are those that have muted colors, many shades of one color. For example, I'm working now, as for the past few episodes, on a project with purple, a lot of purple shades, and I think that comes from, I don't know, the way I see the world, and I think that's valid for you as well. So try to pick up a project whose visual characteristics appeal to you, so something that you enjoy very much. So I hope you picked up your project, and let's do this little joy exercise. As always, we begin with the deep breaths. Hopefully for now they will not be necessary to calm down your heart rate, because today we're discussing joy, so you're probably also happy. A few deep breaths bring us onto the same plane. You can do a small dance, smile, breathe deeply. Listen to the sounds around yourself. I have the wind and the neighbors. Usually there's music also. Right now there's no music, just my voice. So life is nice when you're happy, right? I know it sounds so cliche, but taking a few moments to enjoy life every day will make life more bearable. Even if you're maybe in a dark place, I don't know exactly where you are right now. Even so, taking a few minutes to just enjoy your crochet, enjoy existing, this will change your life just a bit, just a tiny bit, to make it a bit better. We continue with the deep breaths, and now we can take a few looks at our project. You can admire your project and feel it with your hands. Bring it up close to you. Mine is quite big. Look at the colors that you have chosen and the way the stitches look on the surface, on one side and then on the other. See which side appeals to you most. If it's a two-sided project, if it has a wrong side and a right side, you can find something nice in the back side as well. You can see the individual fibers and the individual shades of colors in your yarn, and continue crocheting, doing this little dance. So I told you that today will be short, but that means that you have more time now to maybe call up a friend, or write to a friend, or see who's in your house who's willing to have a little chat with you about something nice that they enjoy. Not everyone has to enjoy crocheting, of course, so you can find something in common that you both enjoy. To just bring your awareness to something nice, something that makes you happy. And if that's your yarn, then that's awesome. If that's something else, of course, that's also awesome. Just take maybe the next 5 minutes to think about this thing that makes you happy. If you want to continue crocheting, that's also awesome. Just look at your project and admire the thing that you're creating, because working with your hands and creating something from something else is awesome, and it's worth celebrating every day. In the future, if you feel a bit down or you'd like to just remember to enjoy your project, you can open up this mini guided meditation, not so much guided, but yeah, you can open it up and follow along again and fall in love with your project. As always, you will find this mini guided meditation in my IGTV and on my YouTube channel. I will probably upload it tomorrow. And you can, of course, follow along with the other ones as well when you feel like it. I've gotten nice feedback that they do help some people, and that makes me very happy. So I will end up on that note, something that makes me very happy. Thank you so much for being here with me and for crocheting together with me, and I hope you enjoy your process today, and I will see you next Sunday.